Did you know that Casablanca is home to one of the largest mosques in the world, standing proudly on the edge of the Atlantic Ocean? It's a breathtaking blend of faith, art, and architecture. Welcome to Casablanca, Morocco's modern heart in breathtaking 4K HDR. Witness the intricate beauty of Moorish architecture come alive in stunning detail, and feel the pulse of authentic Moroccan street life with unparalleled clarity. Casablanca isn't just a city, it's an experience waiting to unfold. Many travelers arrive in Casablanca only to find themselves unsure where to start. With so many options, from seaside promenades to centuries-old alleyways, it's easy to miss what truly makes the city shine. Where can you witness the soul of Casablanca, both scenic and cultural, without getting lost in the crowd or following generic tour routes? Let's start at the iconic Hassan II Mosque, a marvel of craftsmanship with the world's tallest minaret. Next, we head to the Corniche, where locals gather to relax, surf, and enjoy seaside cafés. Dive into the old Medina, a maze of narrow alleys full of artisans, spices, and music. Along the way, you'll hear the soundtrack of Casablanca, from Hanawa rhythms to fusion street performers, capturing the heartbeat of the city. As the day ends, you reach the ultimate moment, a glowing sunset behind the Hassan II Mosque, the call to prayer echoing, blending with live traditional Moroccan music. It's a moment where time feels suspended, a true harmony of nature, spirit, and culture. From architectural wonders to authentic local rhythms, Casablanca offers a blend of tradition and modernity you won't find anywhere else. These are the moments that define your journey. Your presence has enriched this experience. If Casablanca resonated with you, hit the like button, become a part of our community by subscribing, and share your own captivating tales in the comments below. Our next adventure awaits, and we'd be thrilled for you to join us.